The ISBAR framework is a critical communication tool in healthcare settings designed to enhance the quality and safety of patient handovers. This structured approach to information transfer is essential for maintaining continuity of care and reducing the risk of adverse events. The framework consists of 5 key elements: introduction, situation, background, assessment, and recommendation. Introduction. The introduction component involves the healthcare professional identifying themselves, their role, and the patient they are discussing. This establishes context and ensures that all parties are aware of who is communicating and about whom. For example, when handing over a patient to the ICU doctor, the ED physician might begin by stating, "I'm Dr. Smith, the ED physician, discussing Mr. Johnson in bed 4. Situation. The situation element requires a concise description of the current circumstances. This might include the patient's presenting complaint, vital signs, or any acute changes in condition. For example, Mr. Johnson is a 65-year-old male who presented with acute chest pain and is now experiencing increased shortness of breath. Background. Background information provides relevant historical context. This may encompass the patient's medical history, recent procedures, or pertinent test results. For example, Mr. Johnson has a history of hypertension and type 2 diabetes. He underwent a coronary angiogram last month which showed 70% stenosis of the left anterior descending artery. Assessment. The assessment component involves the healthcare professional's evaluation of the patient's condition. This should include their interpretation of the clinical data and any working diagnoses. For example, based on the ECG changes and elevated troponin levels, I suspect Mr. Johnson is experiencing an acute myocardial infarction. Recommendation. Finally, the recommendation section outlines the proposed plan of action. This should be clear and specific, detailing immediate steps and any ongoing management strategies. For example, I recommend an urgent PCI. Please also start him on a nitroglycerin drip and continue ECG monitoring. Documentation. In addition to verbal communication, ISBAR framework can be incorporated into written documentation. This ensures consistency across different modes of information transfer and can be particularly useful in electronic health record systems. By standardizing the format of clinical notes, healthcare professionals can more easily locate and interpret critical information.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscription button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comments section.